What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. So want to start off by saying, thanks for the support, guys. In the last video, you guys pretty much told me that you guys want to see a little bit of everything, and whatever it is, whatever I have. So appreciate the support. So I'll just be recording what I have and the little things that I do here and there. So right now I am currently on my way to, remember I told you guys that my buddy Cesar, I had my cars at his house. I am currently on my way to his house right now to move the DSM, because I guess they're going to be doing some work. And then I'll catch you guys when I get there, so I can show you guys at least a clip of it, since it's not on my house. So I'll catch you guys when I'm there. Alrighty, guys, I'm here. That day I didn't really show you guys the Montero too much, but check her out, guys. She clean. She old, but she clean. I'm like in love with this thing. I just recently put like a bigger tire on it, so I can be able to go off-roading. I believe these are 265/70, right? 265/75, sorry, 16. But yeah, man, I love this thing. My boy Cesar got a little whip of himself. What's up, bro? Say what up. Don't be shy. This is his, what year is this, bro? 2002. His 02 Subi. It's pretty nice. This used to be my brother's at one point, and he sold it to him, but it's pretty sick. Go follow him on IG at that one gray Subi. It's sick. I mean, it's not catching the evil, but it's sick. Now to the good part. This is his brother's car. My buddy Chewy. This is his Supra. Hasn't had her up for a while either. He just has her back here. And then, oh my God, we got my poor baby back here. She's getting dusty as fuck. God damn. But yeah, so I guess they're gonna try to put like some pavers this weekend, so I have to come move the car so it's not in their way. But there she is, guys. At least you guys get a little clip. There's also this 2G GSX that he has back here. If anyone wants this car, it is for sale. I actually swapped the block into this car because it had a rod knock. You can go to my previous videos and you guys would actually see it there. So it's what year is this? Like a 99 Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX, which is they have it for sale. So I mean, it needs paint, and that's about it. If you guys are interested, send me a message on my IG. Then we got the little Civic I told you guys about. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and try to move my car and see where we put her.
The camera over there?
So my battery was dead, like dead. So Cesar let me borrow one of his batteries so I can start her up. Alrighty, guys, I was able to get her going. Oh man, I miss this bad boy. Hasn't even been that long, but I miss it already. So yeah, guys, now that I have her going, I'm gonna go ahead and move her. And I just wanted to get a little clip of it for you guys. Don't worry, baby, you'll be home soon. Had to get the Civic going too. Can't just show the DSM. This little Civic has a blown head gasket, guys. If you guys, this car is also for sale. I just have to fix the head gasket and then I'm gonna put it up for sale. But man, this car runs and drives really good. If it wasn't for the head gasket overheating, it overheats because the head gasket's done. But if it wasn't for that, Jesus, this car runs really good. The transmission is smooth, the engine runs good. Just gotta fix the head gasket and she will be up for sale as well. Clean title, she's clean. So yeah, GSX for sale, Honda Civic for sale. Let me know. Alrighty, well there she is. Until next time, I love you. But like I said again, guys, whoever's interested in that 2G GSX, Let me know.
103,000 miles on chassis.
How many?
103,000 miles on chassis.
How much are you guys asking for it again?
Probably 35 OBO.
3,500, guys. Can't. It's all it needs is you put paint on that sucker, you're straight. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get going. Oh my god. All right. It's all right. Alrighty, guys. Well, that was that. Just wanted to get a little clip of the DSM for you guys. Cesar just told me right now that like if I wanted to do my clutch or if I wanted to get some work done, that they're gonna build a little shed back there, so that I'm more than welcome to use their little spot right there for if I wanted to do the clutch on the Evo. So that's freaking cool. Pretty awesome. I honestly might take it into consideration and come knock out that clutch on the Evo, because it's long overdue for that clutch. I'm gonna throw in some clips here for you guys. My buddy Raul and I and the wife went to go do a little photo shoot of the Evo, so you guys can get you know, a little bit of the DSM and a little bit of the Evo. We went to go do a little photo shoot. My wife killed it on the photo shoot. She did a really great job, so I'll just throw like some little clips of the wife getting a little photo shoot. But yeah, guys, I think after those little clips should be good. Hope you guys enjoyed just this little video. You guys probably cannot see me. Let's see, turn on the light. You guys probably can't see me, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go follow me at IG at 4G63Addict, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one, guys.